And as you can see for yourself guys, my chicken is well done, nice and delicious guys, not too dry, just the right way, you know what I mean? It's all about the well done cooking. Now our French fried chicken is now completed freestyle, and as you can see guys, as I always said, well done, and it's just a vibes. It survives rice and peas, French fried chicken. It doesn't get any better than this freestyle.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Oraine Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome back. Happy New Year to each and every one of you guys. Freestyle, we're back in the kitchen today with the first video for 2023, and it's all about some French fried chicken and some rice and peas. So let's just go in the kitchen and just chef up some food. You know what we do it already over here at Freestyle. So in the meantime guys, just like, share, comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, hit the subscription button. And guys, each time you subscribe guys, remember to turn on the post notification, that each time your boy drop a video you'll be notified. So time to cook, you know the vibe. Freestyle Nation, as I said before guys, it's all about some French fried chicken and rice and peas, but I have gone ahead and seasoned my chicken off camera earlier on in the morning, but I will just show you the spices I use to season my chicken. Right here I have some Old Spice season, which is a mixture of spices, all purpose, chicken season, paprika. This season right here guys, it's called season to the bone. It's a mixture of spices. And also my rice and peas, my scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet, pepper, 2 tins of coconut milk, 2 tins of pecan peas, otherwise known as gongo peas. So guys, I will just go ahead now and just start the preparation for my French fried chicken and rice and peas. You know the vibes, stay tuned. So freestyle, also my French fried chicken, right here I have some eggs and flour. I'll be using like about 3 eggs. You want to crack your eggs into a container. Three eggs should be good. Crack my eggs. Then after you crack your eggs guys, you want to mix them out. Mix everything together. Just like that. Right here freestyle, I have some flour. I will use some of the spices I use to season chicken in the flour. So I'm adding some all-purpose season. Then I will go ahead and have some chicken season. And just sprinkle a small amount, you know what I mean? Just want to give your flour a little bit of flavor. I'll have some paprika to help you enhance the looks and the color of your chicken. Now after adding your paprika freestyle, you want to go ahead and you want to mix your flour with your seasoning, your spices. And here you have it. Now freestyle, our next step is to put the chicken in the egg, then from the egg to the flour, then from the flour to the pot. So here you have it. So you want to get the scallion and the onion of the chicken first, and you put it in the egg. Make sure it is fully covered in the egg. Then you want to put it in the flour, and from the flour to the pot. So freestyle, now that my oil is hot, I will now go ahead, place the chicken in the pot. Freestyle, our chicken is coming along nice and golden, as you can see for yourself, nice and crispy. As you know, freestyle, it's all about well done whenever we cook, you know what I mean? In the meantime guys, I will go ahead and start the preparation for my rice and peas, so just stay tuned. I prep for our rice and peas as we're doing French fried chicken and rice and peas. So right here guys, I have 2 cans of vegan peas, otherwise known as gungo peas. Throw them in the pot using 2 cans. And right here I have my coconut milk. 2 cans of coconut milk, and I'm using the Grace coconut milk. Add my coconut milk. After having my coconut milk freestyle, right here we have some scallion and we have some thyme. You want to wash the scallion and wash the thyme, put them in the pot. My scallion, I normally just crush them, put them in the pot. Right here I have 2 pegs of garlic. Put my garlic in. Scotch bonnet pepper. Also go ahead freestyle and add a tablespoon of salt, and then you want to stir your pot. Leave your seasoning to cook for probably like about 8 minutes. Then we're gonna add the rice. So to make sure my chicken is well fried guys, well done, I put a covering over it so it could steam fry. So here you have it, checking now. And we're gonna give our chicken a next turn. And as you can see freestyle, they're coming along nice and lovely. Nice and golden. So freestyle, it's now time to take our chicken from the pot. Right here I have a plate with a piece of paper towel in it, so the oil could drain on the paper towel. And as you can see for yourself guys, my chicken is well done, nice and delicious guys, not too dry, just the right way, you know what I mean? It's all about the well done cooking at freestyle. So here you have it guys, my French fried chicken is looking nice and lovely, as you can see for yourself. Freestyle, by now our season is now fully cooked for the rice and peas. Our scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper mixed with the coconut milk and the dry gungo peas. So it's now time to put the rice in the pot. After you put your rice in freestyle, you want to stir. Make sure the water is not too much. As for this, the water should be okay, it is just right. I will now go ahead, cover my pot, and I'm going to allow my rice to slow cook. Soon come back. Now our French fried chicken is now completed freestyle, and as you can see guys, as I always said, well done, and it's just a vibes, nice and delicious, nice and crispy. It doesn't get any better than this French fried chicken Oraine freestyle way, you know the vibes. The look of my chicken, you don't have to ask. Nice and golden, nice and delicious. Freestyle, it's now time to check in on our rice and peas. I'm going to go ahead guys and remove the scallion and the thyme from it, and I'm going to give it a stir. So freestyle, that's about it. My gungo peas rice is now completed guys. As you can see guys, use a fork and you dig into it and stir. And freestyle, I don't even have to taste it. By the look of it, you can tell that my rice is now cooked. So there you have it, nice and lovely. And this is how your rice should look whenever you cook rice and peas guys. Your rice don't supposed to be too wet, your rice don't supposed to be too dry. So here you have it, gungo peas rice, French fried chicken Oraine freestyle way. You know the vibes. Freestyle, of course, you know guys, you need some gravy to go with the rice and peas. So right here is my gravy simmering down, nice and lovely, nice and delicious freestyle. I just want to say Happy New Year to all my viewers and all my subscribers guys. If you're watching this video, remember to hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell, and join the freestyle movement. You know the vibes. French fried chicken, rice and peas Oraine freestyle way. My viewers and subscribers, here you have it. My French fried chicken and rice and peas is now completed, guys. As you can see, it survives. On the side we have some lettuce and some cucumber to go with it. French fried chicken, nice and delicious. Rice and peas, Oraine freestyle way. Guys, you know the vibes. Until next time, catch you in the next one. Happy New Year, guys, and all the best for 2023. You know the vibes. It survives. Rice and peas, French fried chicken. It doesn't get any better than this. Freestyle. Like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.